Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we will discuss few basics about Python scripting. Let's start with how to assign and declare variables in Python. I have created a new Python file in a Sublime text. So whenever you're creating a new file, make sure you save it with extension .py in Python. Okay, first step, how to declare a variable in Python. In Python, all you have to do, just write the variable name. I'm saying first number and assign some value to it. I'm saying first number equals to 10. It is mandatory to assign a value to a variable. I'm declaring the second variable. Let's say second num equals to 20. Okay. I want to do the addition, so I'm saying addition equals to first num plus second num. Okay, let's print the result. So if you want to print anything on console, you will use this print function. So syntax is write print parenthesis, and here I want to print the result of addition. So the name of that variable is addition. Okay, now to run a program, I'm first saving it and then executing using Ctrl B. Now you can see it is showing me the output 30, that is 10 plus 20. Okay, let's discuss few rules about the names of the variables. First, variable names should start with lowercase characters. Okay. In Python, you can declare a variable in uppercase, but it is generally used for declaring the constants. Okay. Again, another rule, you can use digits. Okay, but you cannot use digits at the start of the variable. Okay, so I'm saying digits are allowed but not at the start. Okay, underscore is the only special character which is allowed while writing a variable. Okay, again, you are not supposed to write underscore while defining the variable at the start. It has some special meaning already defined, so that we will also discuss later in this video series. But for now, just make sure that your variable name should start with lowercase letters. Digits are allowed, but you cannot specify digits at the start of the variable. And underscore is the only special character which is allowed while declaring the variable. Okay. So let's discuss few things what happens in the background when you declare one variable. Okay, so when I say first num equals to 10, in the background Python will create an integer object, okay, and it will store it at a particular location. Okay, now I will introduce two functions. One is id and second function is type function. Okay, now what is this id function? So this id function will tell you the memory location of that particular variable, and this type function will tell you the data type of that particular variable. Okay, so how to use these two functions? So here I'm just saying print type of first num, okay, comma, I'm saying type of second num. If I run this program, it shows okay, so these two variables are of class integer. Okay, so this type function you can use to check the data type. Next, if you want to know what is the memory location of these two variables, I'm saying print id of first num and id of second num. Okay, so now it will print you the memory location of these two variables. One interesting thing, let's say I'm declaring two variables. I'm saying a is equals to 10, okay, and b is equals to also 10, okay, and I'm printing the memory location for both variables. So I'm saying id of a comma id of b. Okay, I'm commenting rest of the code. Okay, you can see the memory location for two variable is same. Okay, and this concept is called as object entering. What is object entering? If you define two variables having same values, Python will not create two different objects for two variables. If you print the id in that case, you can see both variable points to the same memory location. So in the background, when I say a is equals to 10, in the memory it will store this value 10 at memory location 16505786624, okay, and at runtime it will just check which are all the variables referring to this value. So at runtime it will say, okay, this a variable is referring to this 10 and this b variable is also referring to this 10. Okay, so that is the reason if I print the memory location for both variables, memory location will be same, and this is called as the object entering in Python. Okay, so that's all for today. In the next video we will discuss about Python data types. Stay tuned.